بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. السلام علیکم. Student, inshallah all of you are good and safe in your homes. Student, آپ روزے رکھ رہے ہو؟ This is the second عشرہ of رمضان. اور میں نے آپ کو بتایا تھا کہ یہ مغفرت کا عشرہ ہے. زیادہ سے زیادہ استغفار پڑھیں، تلاوت کرے. اگر آپ لوگ روزہ نہیں رکھ سکتے تو تلاوت کرے، نماز پڑھے، نماز کی پابندی کرے 5 وقت کی. زیادہ سے زیادہ استغفار کرے، تلاوت کرے، اپنے پیرنٹس کو ڈسٹرب نہ کرے. ان کا روزہ ہوتا ہے، اپنا ہوم ورک ٹائم پہ کر لیا کرے تو آپ کو بھی اتنا ہی ثواب ملے گا جتنا آپ کے پیرنٹس کو ملتا ہے. ٹھیک ہے نا؟ اوکے اسٹوڈنٹ, move toward your topic. Our topic is again exercise 4.5. Today we solve words problem. Okay? Student, open your book, page number 96. Exercise 4.5. Look at, there are total 4 words problem. I solve question number 9 and 10 for you people. Okay? And question number 11 and 12 you people solve yourself in notebook. Okay? I already write question number 9 on the board. First we solve it on the board, then we discuss the remaining questions. Okay? Student, you people solve so many words problem. You people have just looked the question, you people get the answer so easy. Question is Rashid board. Again, simple real life problems. Okay, and simple words. Rashid bought 45 kilogram 500 gram of rice. Again he bought rice. Okay, he used 32 kilogram 300 gram of rice. Means when he used this one item is finished. Okay, find the quantity of rice left with him. How much rice left with him? Just question is like this. You people have 10 rupees or 50 rupees. You people buy something at 10 rupees. How much money is left with you? Okay, so this question is so easy. If you people write the statement, it's clear given in the question. 2 items again given. 2 quantities are given. First one is Rashid bought this quantity of rice. He used this quantity of rice. And the third one, the demanding one, is find the quantity of rice left with him. How much quantity of rice left with him? So we write the simple statement like Rashid. Just copy the question. Rashid bought rice. How much quantity of rice he bought, student? Hurry up. 45 kilogram. And how much gram? 500 gram. Okay, and Rashid used rice. How much? 32 kilogram. How much gram? 300 gram. He used rice. Okay, clear these 2 sentences to you people. Just easy one given in the question. Each point given in the question. The given thing, the demanding one. You people just concentrate on the question. Okay, and here from clue word, this point is clear. We subtract. So the quantity of rice left with him. Yes, we subtract second number from the first one and we just get the answer. Okay, we do rough work. We arrange the number vertically. Okay, in correct order. Give the heading of the given unit. which is gram and kilogram. Okay, now we write the greater number 45 kilogram, 500 gram, and we subtract used one, finish. 32 kilogram, how much gram? 300 gram. Clear? This is your question. You arrange it, and then 0 means 0, 0 means nothing. Subtract 3 from 5, you just get 2. Again 2 from 5, inverse of each other, you get 3, and 3 from 4, you get 1. Clear? So the quantity of rice left with him is 13 kilogram. How much gram? 200 gram. Clear, student? This is question number 9. Clear to you? Okay. Move toward question number 10. Question number 10 is a shopkeeper purchased again. Question number 10 we first discussed and then solve on the board. Okay. Move toward question number 10. Open your book. We discuss question number 10. Took it? Question number 10 is question number 9 already solved. Okay, question number 10. A shopkeeper purchased 95 kilograms 700 gram of sugar from market. Again, he purchased who? A shopkeeper purchased 95 kilogram 700 gram of sugar from market. 75 kilogram 225 gram of sugar was sold. So easy. Here look at a statement is just like this. A shopkeeper purchased sugar. Just the second one, he sold sugar. How much? 75 kilogram 225. Sold one. Okay. Finish one. How much sugar was left with him? Clue word left help you. You people subtract second number from the first one or smaller number from the greater one. Okay. I also solved this question on the board. Look at to question number 11 and 12. You people solve these two questions. Okay. And copy these two questions from the board. Arif weighs 54 kilogram 625 gram. His father weighed 75 kilogram 775 gram. How much more does his father weigh? Look at this question. This is confusing one. Okay. Look at Arif weight. First one, Arif weight is given, which is 54 kilogram 625 gram. And his father is 75. His father weight is more than his Arif. Okay. Which is 75 kilogram 775 gram. This one weight is less and this one is greater. Okay. How much more does his father weight? When you people subtract these number more clue word. You people subtract this number from the second one. Okay. You people subtract smaller number from the greater number. You people just get the answer. And you people just write simple statement. Arif weight, his father weight, and more weight of his father. Okay. 2 bags of flour together weigh this. 2 bags. Okay. 2 bags. The weight of 2 bags are combined given, which is 125 kilogram 825 gram. If the weight of one bag is 62 kilogram 500 gram. Now first total given. Total is this one. Then the weight of one bag is given, which is 65 kilogram 500 gram. And the question 62 kilogram 500 gram. Okay. And what is the weight of the other bag? The second one bag. You people find out the weight of second one bag. Look at to this question again. 2 bags of flour together weighed this one 125 kilogram 825 gram combined form. Okay. And the second statement is The weight of one bag is 62 kilogram 500 gram. Note the weight of one bag is given individual, which is 62 kilogram 500 gram. At first, the total weight given of two bags. And the second statement, one bag is given and you people find out what is the weight of the other bag, the weight of the second one bag. Again, you people just subtract this number from the total. You people get the answer. Clear? Clear, student? Okay, now look at to question number 10. We solve this question on the board. The statement of this question is a shopkeeper purchased how much? 95 kilograms 700 gram sugar. Okay, then the second statement, sugar was sold how much? 75 kilogram 225 gram. And the third one, sugar was left with him, and then we subtract and get the answer. Okay, I just give the heading of solution and you people help me. Okay, so what is the first statement, student? Yes, a shopkeeper so many times, students, you people use word shopkeeper. Purchased a shopkeeper purchased which item? Sugar, chini. Okay, a shopkeeper purchased sugar. How much quantity? Quantity is 95 kilogram. How much gram? 95 kilogram 700 gram. Clear? This is the first statement. Look at your book. And the second statement. 75 kilogram 225 gram of sugar was sold. We just write statement like this. Sugar was sold. Simple statement. Sugar was sold. How much? How much quantity of sugar was sold? Quantity of sugar was sold is 75 kilogram. 75 kilogram 225 gram. These two things are given in the question. First one, he purchased sugar. How much? 95 kilogram 700 gram. Second one, he sold. He sold means this quantity was finished. Okay, he sold. So the demanding thing is how much sugar was left with him. So we simply write sugar was left with him. Clear? So from this one word, this point is also clear. You people subtract smaller quantity from the greater one. Okay, then you people just get the answer. Yes, we arrange the question in vertically. Give the heading of refer like this. Then we arrange the question. We write the given unit, which is kilogram and gram. 95 kilogram. How much gram? Don't switch off the question. Again, I clear to you people. Don't write switch off. You people write F225 gram. This one is wrong. 95 kilogram 700 gram is the first quantity. So we write here just 700. And we subtract the second, the sold one, the finished one quantity, which is 75 kilogram 225 gram. Clear? Clear, student? We write the question in vertical order. Now we subtract. Okay? Yes, for subtraction, we follow the same method. We start from our right side. Okay, look at here. You people subtract 5 from 0, you people get 5. And here 2. This is correct, student? No. You can't subtract greater number from the smaller one. Again and again, this point is clear to you that you people can't subtract smaller number from the greater number from the smaller one. Greater number from the smaller one. So what can you do, student? Yes, we borrow. We need borrow. When you people can't subtract, you need borrow. Here, look at here. 0 borrow from the next door. Where is 0 stand? Can 0 borrow from the 0? 0 mean nothing. No. So this one 0 first borrow from the next door, which is 7. This is remain 6. Okay. And when we cross out 0, it's become 9. When we cross out 0, it become 9. Here it become 10. But when we cross it, it become 9. To clear this one point view here, so it become 9. When you people cross out 0, when you people cross out 0, it become 9. But when you people stop at 0, when you people stop at 0, it become 10. It become 10. When you people cross out 0 in borrow, it become 9. But when you people stop at 0, it become 10. So now you people can easily subtract 5 from 10. Subtract 5 from 10. Hurry up. What is the answer? Yes. No, this point is correct. Answer is 5. No. Subtract 2 from 9, not from 10. We cross out 0. 10 become 9. Okay. Subtract 2 from 9. Answer is 7. 2 from 6. Answer is 4. No, 5 from 5. Answer is 0. And 7 from 9. Answer is 2. Clear? Clear, student? So when we subtract 75 kilogram, 225 gram, the sold one, from the given one, 95 kilogram, 700 gram, we get answer 20 kilogram, 475 gram. So how much sugar was left? Sugar was left with him is 20 kilogram. How much gram? 475 gram. Clear? This is your question. Okay? Clear to you? Student, any problem? This is question number 10. Clear to you? You people just write first the given thing. Next, you people write the next quantity. And at the end, you people write the demanding one. Then you people arrange the number in correct one order vertically. Okay? Then you people check you need any number to borrow from the next door. If you need, you just borrow from the next door. If not possible from the next door, you borrow from the next one. And then you people cross out the number. Okay? 0. When you people cross out the 0, it become 9. When you people stand on 0, it become 10 in borrow. Okay? Then you people subtract the numbers. First your right side, move towards slowly onto your left side. Okay? Clear? Okay, students, you people solve the remaining 2 questions. Copy these 2 questions from the board and solve the remaining 2 questions by yourself. Just you people write the same statement, okay, which is easy. No problem you people face, inshallah. Okay, work should be neat and tidy. Again, draw margin line on the both side of the notebook and align the question. Okay, and move toward your homework. Your homework is do exercise 4.5 again. 4.5 question 9 to 12 of book page 96 on rough copy and learn table 2 to 12. I solved question number 9 and 10 for you people. You people just solve question number 11 and 12 and copy these two questions from the board. Thank you.